It is quite common to find sound systems where two or more loudspeakers need to operate with a constant gain difference between them. For example, vertical line arrays of the same loudspeaker model where the bottom loudspeakers need to be kept at a lower level compared to the top ones. The problem that we normally face is that this relative gain adjustment between the speakers starts deteriorating as the loudspeakers are pushed into limiting. The result is all speakers playing at the same level and a degraded dispersion pattern. But with the shading function in ArmoníaPlus, it is possible to overcome this issue by reducing the gain and the loudspeaker limiter threshold at the same time. This way, we can keep the balance between the elements even if the system is pushed into limiting. So, to access the shading function, we go under Tune, then Shading, and we will try to replicate the line array example we've just mentioned, with the left and right arrays that we see here in the workspace. So let's first select these two loudspeakers and give them -3 dB. Then let's select the speakers at the bottom and give them -6 dB. If this was only a gain setting, when the top speakers would start hitting the limiter threshold, we would still be able to increase the level of the bottom speakers, what would completely muddle our relative gain setup. But with shading, since the limiter's thresholds are also lower, when the top speakers start limiting, the bottom ones will start limiting as well. And this is how helpful the shading function in ArmoníaPlus is and how it can be used to keep the correct balance between speakers.